this award, we'd like to welcome the General Secretary of Technical Services and National Cinema Audiovisual, that is Mr. Poda Averist.
Et nous appelons Monsieur Évariste Poda, secrétaire technique du Centre national du cinéma et de l'audiovisuel, pour nous dire qui est le Sotigui du public pour cette année 2022.
D'accord. Sotigui du public africain 2022. J'espère que je vais bien prononcer. Seare, Fitsum, qui nous vient de l'Érythrée.
Le Sotigui du public s'en va en Érythrée. Félicitations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the public award all the way from Eritrea, that is Seare Fitsum. Please give another round of applause to Seare Fitsum. You have voted, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much and congratulations to Seare.
Oh, thank you so much, everybody. It's really since the day I got to Burkina Faso, it's been an experience I've never thought I would get. It's honestly, it's the best. I have had the chance to meet West Africa and Burkina Faso. It's my first time to come into West Africa. I have met some really great artists. I have learned so much. Thank you, everybody. I thank you again and again for the great moments we had together. I'm looking forward to work together for us because, you know, this is an opportunity for us to come together and bring Africa and our people together. Out of these sufferings that we're going through, there is famine, war, and everything bad happening in Africa. It's time to change it, and it seems to be changing because we are the future. We are the new generation who's going to be changing Africa forever. And once again, victory is to the people. Awat nahafash, awat nahafash, awat nahafash. 3 times I gotta say it. Victory to the people. People of Africa. So, yeah, thank you to Devasai, thank you to Sami, thank you to everybody. Thank you to the Sotigui Academy. It's been a blast that you guys prepared this. It's really nice, it's really awesome. Plus, thank you to the whole, you know, honorables of us, the Burkina Faso people. Thank you so much. I have had so much experience. Yeah, our diversity for a long time, our oppressors thought the diversity of us was our weakness. And truly it's been, because we've been fighting against each other. But now our diversity is becoming our power. The only power in Africa is our diversity. So when we come together, we change everything, and this is proof to that. Sotigui, so be proud for creating Sotigui. So let's just be proud for creating this moment. We'll come together forever.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations once more to Seare Fitsum. Public Choice Award.